All right, hello everyone. This is Zach here. Just want to do a quick sound check. Okay, is my sounds coming okay by typing a 1 for me, please? So today, hopefully, is a discount day lah. US market actually having some so-called pullback yesterday. Well, of course, a lot. Probably KSC market also will do the same. But I think this morning also dropped a bit lah. But looks like most of the stock are not really that affected. All right, but again, it's a good timing, right, to any stock that is still holding. Now, sometimes this kind of so-called market is a bit tricky. Probably morning they goes up, right? The afternoon they profit taking, especially today is Friday. So, well, I think I will be remain the same. If far away from support, too bad. I just going to stay away first. Then we wait for a good at least risk to ratio to look for any chance for entry opportunity. Actually, if you look, still got plenty of opportunity. One of them is Kobe. Of course, I'm not doing any buy sell call over here. Now, before I proceed further, just want to probably give a disclaimer, quick one. Now, in this section here, I'm definitely not doing any buy and sell call. If you want to trade any stocks based on our discussions over here today, make sure you got your own trading plan. If not, get advice from the professional. Okay. Now, like I said, I always have this support resistance to help me out. At least it give me an ideas where is my so-called risk to reward ratio. Like for example, if I decided to enter for Kobe for today, they are doing a nice pullback. To be frank, my S1, which is my cut loss one, okay, to my resistance, I at least get 3 out of 1 risk to reward. Sorry, 1/3 risk to reward ratio. All right. So if you aim out to at least 4.5, okay, you get. So this is you want to look in calculate your risk to reward ratio. Okay, very important, right? So again, for those that who are here with me, appreciate you can type a 1 for me to ensure my sound and screen is okay. Help me to click the like button, help me to share this out. Okay, if you think that this kind of section here is helpful, okay, for you. All right. So I think we're gonna do the same things. We're going to start with some of the stocks that we always talk about. Okay, in our group, I think yesterday we do talk a few counters. All right. Of course, one of them I think Kobe is still worth to look into it. Right today, if let's say still above my S1, I think as long as they are above S1, should be quite good. Okay, should be quite good. Okay, yeah, still above S1. So I'm going to write Kobe over here so that we can actually still monitor. Actually, sometimes I also forgot. Okay, actually, I sometimes forgot some of the stuff. But anyway, my plate is almost full. Of course, today there are a few I'm looking to export TSA, but unfortunately, no pullback. Okay, if you look at TSA, so they are still going up higher, trying to break on the this the second resistance around 85 cents. Okay, actually, I expect a little bit of pullback today, around 80 cents. I think would be good. Too bad, tak ada lah. This one still goes up. Okay, but like I said, I don't want to chase. Because today, first of all, is Friday. US market also doing a pullback. Sometimes what happens in the morning, it shows some bullishness, but towards the afternoon, a little bit of profit taking might happens. Okay, around that time. Okay, so well, this one probably I'm going to wait and send to next week. Now the other one is SSPM. Okay, SSPM. I think yesterday I do post it out together with Magma. This one got story lah. Okay, this one got story. Okay, unfortunately yesterday I missed the entry. I always stingy one. I try to park lower, but this one goes up higher. Too bad. Okay, but hurts that it can reach L2. Okay, again, not doing any buy and sell call lah. We use it as a guide lah. But L2 exactly is the main resistance. Same for me. If no pullback, no entry. Okay, no pullback, no entry for me. Okay, so that's FSPM. Okay, let's look at the Magma. Magma is a bit quiet. In fact, actually, I'm keen on Magma more because the risk somehow is lower. Okay, so they actually do have a so-called this kind of shakeout area. Okay, pure support, which is turned to resistance. Now seems like holding well. Okay, again, risk to reward ratio 1:1. Okay, if you want to look out for the next resistance level around here, so at least if give you risk to reward 2. Okay, 1:2. Okay, so that you know that okay, probably this one is worth to look into. I think yesterday someone asked me, I think Rosa, not sure whether Rosa is here or not. how to do sideways trading. Okay, now this is something what we call range trading. If let's say it provide you a good range for you to trade at least above 15-20%, I think it's worth to at least check it out. Okay, this kind of trade sometimes is pretty good. Okay, there's Magma. Any others? I think our group also talked about JF Tech. Okay, so again, this need to thanks to Doctor. Okay, he's sharing with us. Today drop, volume increasing. But again, now it's the first trading hour. But anyway, I think yesterday also I do share about the weekly time frame, daily time frame already. Sorry, I think in one of my video 2 days ago. All right. So if let's say you are looking for long term using weekly chart, I think this one should be quite okay. All right. There's actually changes in trend, but how fast? Okay, not sure because it still didn't tell how fast it can move. Okay, for JF that it didn't show yet. But anyway, above here we got a big resistance. Okay, so whenever price try to reach here, right? So make sure you wanted to take note. Okay, here got some big resistance here. Okay, so probably here, we'll do a little bit of so-called resistance test before pop. Okay, comes back here. Okay, so well, if you got the patient one, yes, this one is good. Okay. Oh, Roslan, you are here. Okay, thank you, Roslan, for your support as always. Thank you, Jasmine, for for watching this video as well. Okay, let me know anyone is here. Okay, by typing an A, at least I know. Okay, at least I know. Type an A if you are here with me. Okay, cover Jeff. Anything I'm missing? Okay, anyone from our group, from our Telegram group, if I miss out some counters, let me know. Because sometimes to be frank, too many stocks like TSA. I think TSA. If you follow my Telegram early this year, I do talk about TSA. When it goes up, make a first round pullback. Okay, I think I mentioned somewhere around here. Hi, Jennifer. Thank you for watching this as well. I think somewhere around here, if you search my Telegram groups, because that time, I heard something also like this one go show. Okay, this one go show. But sometimes, like I say, like I emphasize a lot of time, info is info. Don't follow blindly. Okay, info is info. Don't follow blindly. Like Epicon, HM. Okay, because first of all, sometimes operator may fail due to a certain reason. Okay, probably because the agreement, the project didn't go through. We don't know one. This is the upper level one. Don't know. It might be due to the oral sentiment. Okay, because probably these sectors, because sectors rotate, right? Nowadays we see technology lah, DC lah, gold lah, right? But some sector haven't really started to move yet, so probably there will be quite a bit. Okay, so again, due to a lot of reason, or maybe because previously they got lots of profit taking happening. Okay, like for example TSA, there happened a lot of this one is a shooting star bar lah. So whenever you see shooting star high volume, there's lots of profit taking. So whenever profit takings happen, but in the same time, operators still interested. Hey, hello Casey, good morning. Thank you for joining me. If the operators still interested, right, they will do a period called sideways accumulation or reaccumulation in this case. Then they will start to push up again. All right. So again, if you understand this part, type A for me. Type A for me if you understand this. If you don't understand, type B. So again, like I say, actually now outside you enjoy Telegram, lots of rumors, lots of information. I do have my way to get info. But again, info is info. You have to always check the chart, risk to reward to plan your trades. Okay. So again, going back to this TSA. Okay, thank you, Roslan. So going back to this TSA, like I said, I think early of this year, around March, that time, I do have this info already. That time, they say go show, but unfortunately, it didn't move. Okay, sideways, similar like Bangtel. I still think Bangtel got chance one, but you have to bear through this period. You have to bear through this period. Okay, Zantat, I expected. I exit already before jalan. That one sakit hati lah. Too bad. Okay, so TSA. Okay, sometimes when they're sideways already, you exit already, you tend to forget very easily because it's very quiet. No people talk about it. Okay, but yesterday volume coming back. Okay, it's nice. And if you follow my Telegram as well, I think I showed the chart right. They got at least 4 or 5 strengths candle at support, exactly at support. Okay, so again, just representing there is a solid support happening, and I think there's good chance for them to cross. Okay, of course, they already crossed yesterday. This level here, I think the nearest sub S1 they already crossed. The next one should be here. Okay, once they cross, I think like I said, I missed this one. Okay, I expect US market dropped minus 3. I expect today KISC also dropped, but unfortunately it didn't. Probably I wait for them to break out, make a first pullback, then I'll just entry from the first pullback area. Okay, you understand my strategy, right? Okay, right now I don't want to chase because market's a bit uncertain. I don't want buy already, then they pull back sideways like in 2 weeks. My money stuck again. Okay, into this kind of trades. Okay, so while there's DSA, that's basically my plan. Similar like FSBM also, I heard got show buy at resistance ready today. Okay, so be careful lah. So JF Tech, yeah, if you follow our Telegram, you know there's something on as well. Okay, but this one I support. Okay, this one I support. Now this one I feel more comfortable because I know they are support. Okay, and to my resistance also called reward still far away. Okay, so yeah, but again JF Tech is for long term play lah. Long term play. What to do with share that is 52 weeks high? What to do? Okay, look at the support resistance. Where is the EP? Okay, now normally people look into 52 weeks high. They are doing momentum trading. Okay, they are doing momentum trading. Okay, but in fact, yes, during bull market, 52 week high is very nice one. Like I think all the like KGB lah, even like Simple Oil, Suncon lah, YTR Power lah, all is pretty good. Okay, 52 weeks high break. Okay. Now, normally for 52 weeks high, okay, what you can do is like that. Okay, let's do the KGB. Okay, you can actually try to trade, okay, on the first pullback. If let's say they are doing 52 weeks high, okay, or if the risk still okay, your risk tolerance still okay, break you enter lah, break you enter lah. So that's the easiest one lah. So for example, like KGB, right? Okay, so assuming we're looking into this time frame lah, they go up sideways, deep break. Okay, now this candle. Okay, either you buy here, okay, and you cut loss where you cut loss after they drop below to this so-called resistance to support. Okay, which means they fail to hold, goes back up, you cut loss. Okay, so that is your risk that involved. Okay, if not, you wait for the first pullback. Okay, to happen. Okay, so kind of similar like EMCC, it goes up, pull back, sideways. Okay, so that's how I look for my entry opportunities. Okay, but of course sometimes, right, when they break with a widespread candle, this is the one that I scared. Okay, this is the one that normally I scared. Okay, I tend to avoid that. Okay, but usually if let's say the stock still got momentum one, right, they will still hold a certain support one, like VS Tech, PIE. I think even Me Technovation also having that. Okay, so like this, goes up, and so shoot 52 weeks high with a widespread candle. This one I'll be scared. Okay, this one I'll be scared. But if let's say they are still hold well above 20 MA, I think it's okay. I think PIE is one of the very good example. Okay, hopefully I answered the questions I was like. Okay, about trading on 52 weeks high. Now for me, I still prefer to do pullback lah. Okay, even though 52 weeks high, pullbacks. Okay, so that's my techniques. Okay, now let's look into the others. EMCC a bit disappointing. I think in the morning they open lower. Okay, but again, let's see how it goes because I think someone mentioned QR. Usually I rarely check QR. But yeah, I think QR they release results so. Okay, results so. But for me is that whenever price move, right, they always ahead of QR one. Probably yes, there will be a profit takings, probably by retailer or maybe because of US is weak, they got some people is a bit panic. Okay, it can happen as well. But like I say today, if let's say it remain above the candles here, which is yesterday candle, of course today volume must be low lah. If let's say high volume down by, I also be worried because this one going to start again. Okay, if close within here, volume is low, I think overall still fine. Okay, I think overall still fine. Okay, but again, still early. Now it's only the first trading hour. I going to monitor until maybe 3-4 p.m. Okay, but later to something I got an appointment. Not sure whether I still can monitor or not. Okay, now the other one that I'm quite keen and interested is that I think I post out this in the Telegram as well is SIP Tech. Okay, now SIP Tech having a nice reversal. Okay, I think very obvious one. Reversal from here. This is downtrending, 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 cut through. Okay. Now before they actually cut through this trend line, this downtrend line, high volume, high volume, high volume, and yesterday got another round of high volume also. Okay, so of course currently face a little bit of resistance, which is the period support area 1, 2, 3. Now they need to break this. Okay, so again, I'm not sure. I'm not sure whether they will. I'm not sure whether they will like this, hit here, come back, hit here, come back, hit here, come back before break, or today or next week Monday should break. This I'm not sure. This I cannot tell. If I can tell, I can write already. But anyways, the setup, everything is pretty good in my opinions. Okay, I might be wrong. So again, use the support resistance to help you out. Okay, nearest support S1. The next one probably you can watch out somewhere around here. So this is the area that you want to see. Okay, is there any weaknesses coming in or not? Okay, so again, R1. Okay, exactly at this resistance. Okay, very close, yes, but normally when we treat this kind of stuff, because the range is narrow, right? We are expecting a breakout. Okay, we are expecting a breakout. So let's see how it goes. Okay, for S&P 10. Okay, any stocks that I yet to cover or any stocks that you want me to look into, just let me know. Okay, so Dayang. Okay, I'll look into Dayang. But so far today, too bad TSA up a bit, FSPM also up a bit. Kobe is the one that I think next one I'll be keen. Okay, of course JFTech as well. JFTech I haven't entered yet. Okay, I was looking for entry. Kobe I keen. To be frank with you, Kobe I quite keen. Okay, what the reasons why is like that? Okay, because first of all they are coming from bottoms. Okay, if let's say VS take PIE, the one I'll be takut lah because they go up for some times, right? So okay, now let's look into weekly chart for Kobe. Now, first of all, obviously they are from downtrend. Okay, they are from, not to say downtrend, they are from bottom. Okay, let me remove all this trend line. Okay, but this one also similar S&P 10. Okay, they hit certain resistance already. So that's why now it's doing pullback. But sometimes this kind of pullback with a bit time. So okay, now downtrending. Okay, here volume, cut through 2040s. Okay, so there's weekly chart. Okay, that's weekly chart. Okay, so let's going back to my daily. Okay, daily here. Actually, I waiting at S2 lah, which is the 20 MA area. But I'm not sure whether they'll come or not. Okay, 2 ringgit area lah is the preferred entry for me. Okay, but I'm not sure. It seems like they are building around the S1 very, very strong. Okay, but next week, let's see how it goes. Probably I'll wait until next week. Maybe Tuesday, like this. All right. MSM and capital A, please. Rugi na, ha? I thought MSM you dah lama beli kan, Roslan? Capital A also, I remember you told me you enter quite low price, right? Or maybe your profit getting lesser, itu tak sama. If let's say long term, sometimes your profit got up and down one. Okay, if let's say you're looking for long term. Okay, if let's say you short term one, sometimes you have to really look into trending back. Even though some chart is good, but like I say, sector rotation. Okay, it can profit reducing okay lah, still okay lagi lah. Okay, because we always cannot get the big one, because sometimes must expect a big one. This one a bit dangerous already, Ruslan. Okay, yesterday volume is high. Normally I don't like that. Okay, this one a bit like inverse pullback already. Okay, here the other day I said this is support my what, right? Support. If let's say break here, okay. But if let's say here drop, volume increasing, this one, to be frank, I don't really like that. It going to dip lower. You're gonna dip lower sometimes before they reverse back. Okay, so this period you have to tahan. Okay, you have to tahan. Okay, so again, let's look into weekly chart. Okay, weekly chart they are touching 20 ms already, but again volume is increasing, so I think they will continue to pull back lower. Okay, I think they'll continue to pull back lower, maybe somewhere around here based on weekly chart. Okay, maybe next one somewhere around here. Okay, so if okay, I'm not sure how much you entered. Okay, I'm not sure how much you entered, but it's always good. Okay, if let's say you can somehow lock some profit. Okay, lock some profit. Okay, this is my strategy lah. Okay, you don't use it if you, let's say it didn't suit you. Okay, because different people, different risk appetite is different. Your TP is different. Your objective is different. Okay, So for me, it's always like that. Okay, if I lock some profit already, this one pull back, okay, to a certain level, maybe sideways. Okay, I see support here already. Okay, I use the money to top up back. Okay, similar like my Tenaga, also I exit half already, but it goes up. But sometimes okay lah, we cannot. Wow, really still going up. 30 ringgits already. KC, this one you got hold or not? I think KC also got hold, right, Tenaga? I think I sold below 12 ringgit. Yeah. Oh, okay. I think it's around 12 ringgit like, the time I sold. This one sometimes sold already, it goes up. What to do? Okay, so I hope, Rosan, you understand the weekly chart wise, daily chart wise, MSM, I think got weakness already. Yesterday, the volume, you ask me, I don't like it. Okay, unless later on they form some sideways holding ball, then okay, we can look into it again. Okay, so but like my strategy also, unfortunately I sold already. I expect them to reverse from the main resistance, but it didn't. It goes up, but later on it's okay. It goes up, goes up. One day we'll pull back one. Pull back sideways. Okay, we masuk lagi. Okay, we masuk lagi. Okay, but okay lah. I still got half lah, but just the yellow. I didn't expect them so strong. Okay, Tenaga. Okay, let's do into capital A. Capital A, like I said, I don't really like that lah. Kena tipu few round lah. But if you ask me, the pullback is still good. Okay, almost at 20 MA already. Almost at 20 MA. This one is a bit similar like Kobe. Okay, this one is a bit similar like Kobe. But just that, of course, this one, I think the resistance is somehow more strong. Somehow more strong, okay? The reason is like that, okay? So if you notice here, every time when the stock goes up, pullback is normal. Okay, pullback is normal. But you don't want to see resistance high volume. Okay, this one resistance it hit down with high volume. So yeah, sometimes it will make a deep pullback or sometimes it can fail. Okay, but so far for me, this candle is very important. This candle is I think I highlighted before already. This candle is very important. Okay, whenever pullback happens, okay, you see this now. Whenever pullback happens, you need to find one candle that support with up bar high volume. This bar will provide you a crucial support. Or easier one, you use my S1. You use my S1 in this case here. So this one will hold well. Of course, you don't ask me when can break that. Itu tak tahu. I kaya raya lah. So probably here is sideways, then it goes up. Okay. Similar one like EMCC. Why EMCC? Even though I hold for 2-3 weeks, boring, but I still holding. Okay, but I still holding. Okay, so if you notice here, right? It drop hammer. Okay, hammer also support. Okay, if you understand how to use hammer. Now these two candles. Okay, here got some up bar, right? So this one will provide support. As long as this zone here provides support, I'm fine. Of course, yesterday one come with higher volume, so this one have to form support. So that's why I say, if EMCC is still close above this candle, I'm still fine. Okay, similar one. Okay, I share with you a few lah. If sometimes I can think of anything, I share lah. I think someone asked me theta also just month. Okay, I look. You can look into theta. Same things. Okay, here. Okay, but again, theta, what happens? Theta here got profit taking, high volume. So not to say it cannot break, it can break, but expect this round of sideways is longer than this round. Okay, because there's profit takings, so they need time to break. But if you look into here, what is the main thing that I say theta still worth to look into it? This candle. Okay, notice this candle come with high volume, right? What happens? Okay, form support. Okay, sorry, is it okay or not, or confusing? Type 1, yes. Type 2, confused. Okay, type 1 if you understand. Type 2 if you're confusing. Again, this is sometimes I check. Okay, pullback, healthy or not, it forms support or not, it still got a chance to go up or not. So this is some of the things that usually I do lah. Okay, hopefully all this is helpful for you. Okay, thank you, Wong. Hopefully all these things is helpful for you lah. Thank you, Kim. So this is some of the a very small things. Okay, if you I know some of you know it. Okay, your experience, I think you should be able to pick this up. Especially for those that just started to learn TA or advanced pattern analysis or candlestick patterns. All these small things, right? If you're able to pick up, right, it's very useful. Okay. Now, if you look into theta again, right, here, also another one. Yesterday, also another one. Okay, so you know the closest support, which is my S1 right now, is happening somewhere around here. Right? Of course, the main one will be here lah. Okay, it will be here lah. Okay, similar one like HT Padu. Okay, so that's why all this counter I keep coming back to look into it. But unfortunately, I didn't do it lah, to muscle everything lah. Okay, but if you got capital one, yeah, this kind of few things that this stock is low, but I think they got chance. Okay, so now this one is more obvious. This candle, notice, immediately form support. Okay, so yesterday also is a good bar. Okay, so you can actually use that. All right. Okay, let's continue lah. So okay, let's capital. I think I covered already. Okay, make sure you use the patterns. Theta, I think I covered also. Kobe, actually I covered already. Okay, but I will look into that. YTL power. Okay, let me know any other counters you want me to look into. We can check that out. Okay, let's look into Kobe again. Okay, Kobe, you are looking for midterm, right? So in this case, I use weekly first. I think just now I also check already weekly. Okay. So, okay, now this one obviously is a reversal patterns. Okay, it's a reversal patterns. Okay, okay, TMC live. We'll do that. Overall, I think good. Okay, risk to reward wise, pretty good. Okay, now if you look into weekly, there's one more problems only. Okay, which is here, goes up here, down by high volume. Okay, so which means in the same time, there is seller. Okay, there is a seller. Here lo. Okay, here lo. Previous resistance to support ma. Okay, sorry, previous support to resistance right now. Okay, so this area here got sellers. Okay, got some sellers. A bit similar to capital A. Just now remember right, it hit resistance, but yeah, got high volume drop, then they pull back. So sometimes this pullback over here can drag a little bit longer. Okay, can drag a little bit longer. So that's why I try to aim around 2 ringgit. Actually, I'm very interested in this one. Okay, I try to aim around 2 ringgit. Okay, I will come back to look into it. Okay, for Kobe. Another reason I like it because this one, the potential is still pretty good. Okay, if let's say hit main resistance, okay, I think no need to say this one at least you can get 100, 150, 200%. If let's say hit so that's why another stock I look into is GradTech also. They're also coming from so-called accumulation phase. Okay, now maybe I can check FATA, my fundamental. Okay, Paichowski F is only 4 out of 9, not so good, but not that bad as well. Okay, so the other one is GradTech. I'll show look into also. GradTech, I buy some money. I bought some money because I thought going up for 5-6 candle already will pull back my other. Okay, 6 out of 9 slightly better than Kobe. Okay, so yeah, some of this you can actually look into it. Okay, HE group, yes, definitely Casey, because I'm holding also. Okay, this morning I think no movement. Okay, but now I'm not sure. Let's check. So okay, how can you show the risk to reward, how to calculate? Formula I forgot. I can post it in Telegram, but this one actually I calculated for you already. Okay, let's say here to here is always 1, risk is always 1. Okay, then it will compare how much to here. Okay, compare how much to here. Okay, so like in this case over here, let's say 3, which means you risk 3, you get you risk 1, you get 3. Okay, let's say aim 4.2, resistance 2, which means you risk 1, you get 4.6 rewards. Okay, but the formula you can Google Rosan, that one you can. This one actually I put it in already. Okay, I put it in already. Okay, let's see YTR power. YTR power, then we can look for the others later on. Apa macam today? Kenapa down bar? Okay, so go gap down also. Go gap down also. Okay, now this one have to watch out already. Okay, not sure you're looking for entry or exit. This is from Dennis, right? So not sure you're looking for entry or exit. Okay, but if let's say close S2, avoid first. Okay, because today also got a gap. Okay, so maybe gap. Normally expect a little bit of a deeper pullback or a sideway. Okay, so if let's say break S2, no trades. Break S2, no trades. Okay, so okay, what I wanted to see is that drop Okay, of course, hopefully today volume is not climatic, but first looks like the first trading hour is quite high already. All right. Later, sideways, 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 sideways. Okay, then only we look for opportunity, which is the pullback that I'm referring to. Okay, but so far, opportunity, okay, entry wise, I think still a bit uncertain. Okay, still a bit uncertain. So, okay, now let's look into TMC live. I didn't really watch out TMC for some time. Oh, okay. Thank you, Wong. YTR Power quarter result down. Okay, so yeah lah. Let's see how it goes. So let's see how is the closing. Sometimes, even though QL down, right? Yes, there will be profit takings, but later on suddenly shoot up with the hammer bar. Okay, they buy back. Okay, TMC live. Oh, gap down. Ini apa macam also QR. Okay, let's see. I think I got my QR over here. Yeah, this one signed already, ma. Okay, wait. Okay, sorry, let me just re-log in again because I think I got my QR over here as well. Okay, KGW. KGW also got story punya. KGW. KC, you still got KGW. These two days coming up. Okay, the other one that I didn't expect them to move so much is VLB. Okay, VLB. Okay, TMC Live. I think this is the latest one, right? 23rd of May. Q to Q. Oh, negative. Okay, Q to Q negative. Okay, so that's why I think the gap down because of the QR also lah. Okay, TMC live here. Okay, from this screen. Okay, well, unfortunately, if let's say you are in TMC live, you have to somehow wait already. Normally, I don't like to see drop with a gap lah. Okay, but as long as they are above 2040, I think still okay. Above 2040, maybe still got a chance to push it back. Just that, yeah, gap down have to wait. Okay, so this one maybe I'm not sure who's now asking. Okay, Wong. So let's say maybe Wong, you're looking for entry or something, right? Maybe next week you ask me again. Okay, so I want to see how it formed today, and maybe sideways. Let's say hold well above 2040, then I think yeah, this one's still okay to look into it. Okay, so that's TMC live. HE group. Okay, yeah, how is my HE group ready? Okay, HE group. Okay, this is previous one. Okay, let me hide first. Okay, so okay, HE group, a very clear pullback. Okay, very clear pullbacks. Today, no momentum. Okay, but volume low. Okay, so let's say today also again, I'm okay with down bar, but narrow bar. Volume low. Okay, then that's fine. Okay, then that's fine. So for me, yeah, nothing much to comment. If you ask me, I will still hold because I don't see any specific weakness. Okay, the one that I feel a bit disappointed is Bank Teller. Okay, but again, sometimes it can be like TSA one. Okay, you also notice TSA have been sideways since early of March until yesterday only come, right, only break, right. So this one may be the same thing. Okay, sometimes this one I cannot tell Villa. Okay, it can 2 months, 3 months, 4 months also can. But overall, I still think that they are in a very good so-called support and range lah. Okay, so last two. Okay, probably last two. Then I goes to my some pullback stock. Okay, so this is KGW. KG. 11%. KC, you still got KGW or not? I remember you told me you entered right the time when we posted somewhere around here. Okay, now again, like I said, this is slightly a bit tricky because why? They reverse. I think the reversal is nice. Okay, but profit taking immediately. So sometimes it can be like this. Okay, you can look into EIB. It can form something like EIB, sideways, double bottom, then slowly they went up. Or it can form something like ECA, or even like day trade. Okay, but slightly closing to resistance, probably I don't want. Okay, maybe again next week. Okay, because now my plate also full already. Maybe next week still can challenge here, drop a little bit more sideways. I think this range I will look into it. Okay, of course volume low also lah. Volume low also. Okay, I think this one good to watch out. Okay, this one also same things. Hurt got something. Okay, hurt got something. But trade based on patterns. Okay, trade based on patterns. We trade based on risk to ratio. anything must have trading plan. Okay, nothing is 100%. Okay, now last one before I go to my pullback signal. Okay, let's go into Sim Dhabi. Okay, this one also nothing much to comment. I can see long term wise okay lah. Like Tenaga lah. I don't know how to comment also. Okay, it going up slowly. Daily charts is holding well on the 20 MA. Okay, daily chart is holding on 20 MA. Okay, in between got pullback, no funny candle, no funny volume. I think still fine. Okay, so this one is just right along already only until the trend end. Like MSM suddenly change a little bit of direction, break through 20 MA with high volume, then the one probably is time for you to lock some profit. Or maybe if let's say it hit main resistance, like for example my Tenaga hit main resistance also, but this one no main resistance. This one I think don't have, right, Casey? This is the previous all-time high lah, but they break already. So I got nothing to refer also. Okay, I got nothing to refer also. So okay, again, still fine. Just right. Just continue to right. Okay, I believe Casey is looking for long term for this. IYPG, same thing also. Recently just break from this so-called reaccumulation. Okay, this one can watch out as well. Okay, great tech. Okay, for those that who love some things that more longer term one. Okay, this one actually like I said, I didn't enter much. The time when they completed this shakeout, right, I entered a little bit. Okay, because I expect them to because the time the S1 is somewhere around here. The S1 is somewhere around here. 5 ringgit lah. So I expect them to retest 48, 47s. Then I add more. Okay, but they break up. So it's okay. Let's say 52 or 51, we can get some or not. Okay, so but this one, one thing I like about this is that it's a bit similar like how I enter for Tenaga. Okay, they do reversal, still in the very first accumulation. So to here, around 7 ringgit plus, I still got around how much? Then 50%. Okay, I still got around like 50% to go. Not 50%, less than 50%, maybe 30, 40%. Okay, so aiming from here lah. Okay, similar to Tenaga. Okay, so let's look into my trade signal. Okay, any pullback signal that we can watch out for today. If not, that's it. We're gonna come back again next week. Okay, Spring Art. Okay, Spring Art, I think not too bad overall. Let's look into daily. Okay, this one doing pullback also. This one doing pullback. Can watch out for this. Cosmo. Okay, Cosmo shakeout the other day. How is today? This one shakeout trades. A bit similar. Infotech. Infotech also slowly going up already. Okay, so this one I think similar. Okay, similar patterns. Okay, reaccumulation. We got a shakeout right exactly at the bottom. Okay, here. Okay, so this is support, resistance. Okay, so for those that who want to range, trade range, sideways tradings, but make sure you calculate the percentage of this range lah. If range sometimes 5% saja, tak payah lah. Okay, you buy sell fees, ambil pergi pun hampir sama. Okay, any others? GSL system. This one I don't want to chase anymore. Okay, Kobe just I think we review already. WMG. Wow, this one's good momentum. CNH, N2N. N2N interesting. Okay, at least in N2N okay. Okay, nothing much today. Nothing much. Probably later afternoon we'll come back to look into it again. So okay, once again, thank you for joining me in this Friday section over here. Again, join my Telegram. Okay, we definitely have more discussion inside. Now, don't forget to help me to click the like buttons if you are here watching. Help me to share this out to at least expand our community so that we have more people. We can discuss more stock ideas, and benefit to everyone. All right. With this, thank you, and I'll see you next week.